English to finish. Go equals.
mennä,
Speak the forms fast. Welcome to Ch.3 Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Ch.3 Lingo. Grab more tips and free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you and I unlock the English verb, go, and its Finnish power form.
mennä,
Imagine your sneakers whispering.
mennä,
Every time you stand up, comedy, motivation, and memory in one. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll say the most useful forms confidently. Stay with me and speak out loud. Core verb. To go, equals.
mennä,
I go equals.
minä menen,
You, singular, go equals.
menet,
He, she goes equals.
hän menee,
We go equals.
me menemme,
You, plural, go equals.
te menette,
Bonus mood word. So equals.
menettelee.
Forms in action. Say these with me, small steps, big wins. I go now.
Minä menen,
NYT. You go first.
menet,
Ensign. He, she goes home.
hän menee,
Coteen. We go together.
me menemme,
Udessa. You, plural, go left.
te menette,
Vassimal. To go, dictionary form.
mennä,
Funny mini dialogues. Let's make it real and a little ridiculous. Memory loves a laugh. A. Ready? B. Yes.
me menemme,
NYT. A. How's your day? B.
menettelee,
So. A. The door? B. You.
menet,
Ensign, Mina Tulan Parasa. A. Where is Alex? B.
hän menee,
Kiryastun. Coach, team.
te menette,
Kentayanyt. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm to lock it in. Your voice is your gym. Clap, say.
mennä,
Clap, say.
mennä,
March it out. Left.
me,
Right.
nemme,
Quote.
me menemme,
Whisper chain.
minä menen, menet, hän menee, me menemme, te menette,
Drills. Quick swaps. I say the clue, you say the Finnish form. Speak before I reveal it. I go, now. You. Answer.
minä menen,
NYT. You go, first. You. Answer.
menet,
Ensign. He, she goes, home. You. Answer.
hän menee,
Coteen. We go, together. You. Answer.
me menemme,
Udessa. You plural go, inside. You. Answer.
te menette,
Sisson. Dictionary form, to go. You. Answer.
mennä,
Quiz time. Fast quiz, answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Q1. English, to go, in Finnish? A.
mennä,
Q2. I go, right now? A.
minä menen,
Q3. Talk to a friend, you go first. The key form? A.
menet,
Q4. Point at one person, he, she goes. A.
hän menee,
Q5. Cheer with your crew, we go.
Me menemme.
Q6. Address a group. You, plural, go. A.
Te menette.
Q7. Answer, so, in Finnish. A.
Menettelee.
Culture tip. Sound natural like a Finn with one tiny habit. When someone asks, miten meni, how's it going? A calm, neutral reply is,
Menettelee.
it means, so. And weekends? It's common to
Mennä.
saunan, go to the sauna. If a friend says, let's go, you might hear
Mennään.
a friendly, let's go. Challenge. 1-minute story. Ready for liftoff? Build a mini story using every form. Prompt. Start with, today.
Minä menen.
Then add a request to a friend.
Menet.
Ensign, mention someone else.
Hän menee.
Rally your team.
Me menemme.
Give instructions to a group.
Te menette.
And finish with your mood.
Menettelee.
Quote. Bonus speedrun chant.
Mennä. Minä menen. Menet. Hän menee. Me menemme. Te menette.
Wrap up. Nice work. You moved a lot in a short time. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Mennä. Minä menen. Menet. Hän menee. Me menemme. Te menette.
And the handy mood word.
Menettelee.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, quizzes, and goodies. See you next time, and until then, go forth and speak.